After the launch of OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro, OnePlus is getting ready to launch its new smartphone that will be OnePlus 9R. So there were lots of amazing stuff in these both smartphones like hasselblad camera, Snapdragon 888 processor that has increased the power of these both smartphones. So OnePlus 9R is also on the lineup. So what we can expect, what will be the features of this device? The features I'm gonna share with you that will be confirmed, means that are confirmed from the OnePlus, and you will be glad to listen that this device is following 800 series processor of the Snapdragon. Now let's kick this video off with combination of screen and display of it. 6.55-inch screen size that contains fluid AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate that will expand the performance of touch rate. Moreover, this has become a trend of getting 120Hz refresh rate in the most of the smartphone in 2021. Display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Moving forward to the camera, here are some features. It's having quad setup. There are 4 cameras except primary. 48 megapixel wide camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel mono camera. In the OnePlus 9 Pro, there was 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. I know 9R or 9 Pro are both of the 9 series smartphone, but here comes the price difference. So therefore the camera of the 9R go down. Now talking about the front camera, this device comes with 16 megapixel wide camera. This will work like primary or ultra wide. Alongside you obtain screen flash, and this camera will be capable of recording 4K videos at 30 fps. Let's check what we get in the performance. Like I said earlier that you would get 800 series processor of the Snapdragon, that will be 870 octa-core processor with 8GB RAM, and it will increase the power of your device. This is the beast processor that can handle every heavy tasks or games when you utilize your smartphone. Moreover, it won't bring you any issue like heating up the device or lagging, something like that. You know the processor of the Snapdragon that survives a lot in the high heat, so no issue from the 870 chipset that put inside it. Moreover, going forward to the battery performance, this is also an essential thing of this smartphone, that how long it can give you battery backup. It has 4500 mAh cell. It may provide you 1 day battery backup. In addition to, here is the charger that comes inside the box, that is 65 watt warp fastest charger. It will take around 39 minutes to juice your phone up 0 to 100%. So these were all the amazing stuff from this device. In addition to, this device contains 5G connectivity, 120Hz refresh rate, 870 chipset from the Snapdragon Fluid AMOLED display. The cost of this phone that company claimed that is 39,999, that is of 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. The next is 43,999, that is of 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. In addition to the launch date of this smartphone, it may be in the middle of the April. These are totally specs and features of this phone that you are gonna obtain in this smartphone after buying it. It's been from me. I would like to see you in upcoming videos.